Alright y'all, first cold start. The pop. Oil filter achieved. Got a real soft spot for these M5s, man. Definitely out the budget, but dude, these things are so sick. I love the M5s, especially the rear ends. I love big body. Oh, I got an M2 CS. Fire. Frozen white M4. What's the price? 105. Damn. What you guys think? Worth it? Got the oil filter, so I want to do an oil change today. Since the car is already up on the jack stands, might as well knock out the oil because I have yet to do an oil change ever since I bought the car about like 7 months ago, I think. Gonna take care of that and then probably put my new lip on. Like I said, I want to knock out as much of this stuff since the car is already on the quick jacks. So yeah, got a couple things to do this morning. Then after, I want to take the car out, hear it with the CATLESS downpipes, and get a whole bunch of sound clips. Guys, I don't know how we ended up here. Oh my gosh, it's 10 a.m. Okay, to be fair, so I'm with Kinsey right now. He's in the blue Beersy behind me. Like I said, we're just at BMW getting the oil filter, and we look next door, and there's a brand new In-N-Out too. So we haven't ate breakfast. In-N-Out is next door. It's only right. So here we are. I actually got an updated order, I have to tell you guys. Pretty fire. I'll show you when I get it. I just made it to the shop. Guys, the first time I'm using the wing as a table, man. I've been waiting for this moment. But yeah, I just installed this wing. It's pretty new. I think it was like a couple weeks ago. So I haven't had a chance to do a In-N-Out run. All right, so this is the updated Chris Borges meal from In-N-Out. I used to get double doubles, but now I've been on the 3x3 wave. I typically don't like burgers with like hella meat in it, pause. But now the 3x3 is actually far from In-N-Out. And you gotta get chopped chilies. I don't even know if they put chopped chilies, but you cannot forget, man, this is mandatory. I wanna say it on camera, but it sounds so bad. So you gotta flip it. And
Eat that shit on the back.
So here's what you do. You take it out of the wrapper, flip it 180 degrees, because all the sauces get trapped on the bottom. Flip it. Yeah, there's a method, bro. You gotta flip it. It's a good breakfast. Got the chopped chilies, you see that? I've been cooking up ideas, low-key, for my annual birthday cruise. Me and the guys have been talking about it. I want to do an In-N-Out truck for my cruise. Like at the last location, we'll pull up like In-N-Out truck. They'll sell burgers there. I felt that'd be like, that's like perfect, bro. I'm always at In-N-Out on the videos. Yeah, it's a vibe. Got the In-N-Out truck there. And like we do like a limited drop, like a merch drop, like an In-N-Out themed drop. I thought that'd be really cool. I might try to plan that like around the birthday cruise area. Yeah, comment down below. Should we do the In-N-Out truck for the cruise?
Say yes.
Say yes. Front bumper is off. That literally took like 5 minutes, I want to say. It's crazy, like the more you do things, or even after like the first time you do something, the second time around you do it, and the more you do it, the faster it gets. It's crazy. I remember taking off this bumper, took me like an hour or even more the first time I did it, but now we just literally did it with our eyes closed. But yeah, man, it is finally time to swap out the front lip. This thing is busted. Brand new K-style lip right here from the boys over at SenCal. But yeah, let's get this lip swapped out and put the bumper back on the car. This is the comparison. Look at the old lip. This thing is just done, man. You can definitely see the comparison. This is probably one of the worst lips I've ever had in my life. This is like actually really bad. But yeah, look at the nice brand new K-style. Yeah, this thing's gonna look sick once we put it on. Typically with front lips, I don't have to take off the whole front bumper, but as you can see, this lip has rivet nuts. So you have to put it from, or you have to put the bolt from behind, and yeah, it just screws into the rivet nuts that are like already built into the lip. Typically I just like self tap a lip on, but this one is kind of different. just like that, new lip is on. Alright man, final stretch. I feel like I've been working on this car for like 2 days. First time doing an oil change on this car. It's actually pretty self-explanatory. Filters up here, oil fills right there. Pretty much done draining. This car takes 7, or I think like 6.5 quarts of oil. Weird, like some people use 0W30, some people use 5W30, some people use 0W40. Car calls for 0W30, but I don't know, apparently there's so many different oil types that people use for this car. This is a little bit thicker than 0W30, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the car. I guess what they tell you to look out for is, where's it at? The BMW LL01 type of oil. I don't freaking know. I heard the mobile one is good. So yeah, let's go and fill the car. 0W40. Got the new oil filter from BMW like you guys saw. Comes with a new oil filter gasket, another little gasket, and then I think this is a drain plug gasket. Everything we need, let's go and get it done. Alright, so before we take the car off of the jack stands, I wanted to show you guys this. You probably know way more than I do. So I noticed a lot of oil residue under the car. As you see right here, it looks like it's leaking down from the turbo. Check it out. The turbo, the housing is pretty covered in filth. I don't know, you could tell something is definitely leaking. It looks like it's leaking from like the black tube right there that goes right to the turbo, but yeah, it's dripping down and it leaks onto right here. But comment down below, what is this, some type of bad seal? I don't know, I'm not too familiar with turbos and such, but let me know what this could be. Anybody with F80s that has had this issue, comment below what this could be. But that's one thing I noticed. Alright y'all, first impressions of the ARM downpipes. First drive, literally this is the very first drive. And let's see how they are. So I do have the burbles on, pretty crazy. It's still on stage 1. I've yet to flash over to stage 2. But yeah, we're about to head to a spot right now, get some exhaust clips. I feel like cruising, the tone is a little bit louder. It's not super raspy. That's what I definitely noticed. You can definitely hear the difference though. A lot of burbles. Bruh. That rasp is perfect though. So many pops. Oh man. That sounds so good. Okay, I might have to go in and alter the burbles a little bit because yeah, I'm gonna have to change it to like above 3,000 RPM or something. Because this thing is popping like no other. Oh my god. Yo. These pops are crazy. I bet you they're like louder outside. They're loud from the inside, but I bet you from the outside it's way louder. Bro, I love this car so much. Oh, I can't get over the pops, dude. I'm so obnoxious right now. I am sorry, everybody that lives over here. Who would have thought, man? Who would have freaking thought Chris would eventually have an M3 and love this thing like crazy? right, y'all, what do you think? I'm gonna go ahead and hear it for the first time outside of the car. I actually have my boy Kinsu driving it now, so I'm gonna drive his BRZ. But nah, this is sick, bro. I'm gonna be able to hear it driving and see it rolling. I don't think I've ever seen it rolling with the new Meister setup. But
you heard it from the outside, the downpipes?
Yeah, you revved it. Remember I put the downpipes in?
Yeah, I did.
First time driving the M3?
Bro, first time in M. How do I look? How do I look?
But yeah, man, comment down below. What do you guys think of the downpipes, the exhaust setup? Do you guys like the way it sounds? Comment down below. I'm curious to hear what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in his BRZ. Damn. It's been a while since Chris has driven a BRZ, not gonna lie. Man, we used to start so many videos, so many intros with this exact little view right here. Man, I need another one, man. I'm definitely gonna get another one, bro. Just the simplicity of these cars, man. You can't, I don't know, it's just uncomparable. No matter how fast, you know, the M3 is, the Corvette, the Mustang, you know, these cars obviously are not the quickest thing ever, but just the simplicity and the rawness of these cars. Such a driver's car, man. Time to see the M3 though. I'm excited, man. I love these cars. Fun fact, he actually ordered a JDL turbo kit, so I think we're gonna be installing it at my shop. So that's pretty exciting. Some BRZ content coming soon with this car, installing his turbo kit. That's gonna be so fire. But yeah, definitely gonna enjoy driving his car. It's been so long since I've driven a BRZ in general. This thing is burbling like crazy. That's actually pretty loud. Has to be my favorite car right now, dude. I just feel like the mods that are on it, like it just flows like so good. Just the carbon kit, everything, the wheel setup, the fitment, like bro, it just, oh my god, everything is just so good. Just such a good looking car, man. I never thought I would like an M3 so much, bro, seriously. It's so simple, man, but I love it. One day we'll be in another one. How does it feel?
Bro, I kind of feel scared.
It's fast, huh? Low
it's
key?
Fast, and
just the burbles are crazy. The cops.
The cops, bro. How do you control the cops? Like when
you can't.
It's time to like when you see a cop around the corner. What do you do? You're literally just.
Bro, it literally just non-stop. So you can control like the RPM. Like I have to like go in the app and tune it. You can like put like the specific RPMs it'll pop. I put it to where it pops like
randomly
all the time. One more big thing coming. Pretty sure you guys can guess already, but I've been low-key hinting at it, especially with the new merch. I have it on the design, but that one mod right there is just gonna set this whole car off and just be like the cherry on top. But that's probably coming in like a week or two. Y'all, hope you enjoyed today's upload. I've just been enjoying the M3 so much, dude. I don't know if you could tell in the videos, but like, bro, ever since we like put the downpipe on, we tuned it, really ever since we tuned it, I've just been having so much fun with this car, and just like, I feel like everything about it, I just grown to love so much. Sounds good, looks good, feels fast. I don't know, it's just like checking off all of the boxes right now. So hope you guys are enjoying the M3 content just as much as I am, you know, making the content, driving the car. But yeah, like I said earlier in the video, we got a big mod coming for the M3. If you guys watched the end of my, I forgot what video it was, sneak peek some merch that I'm getting made as we speak. Also a little update on that. It should be done maybe end of this week, early next week. So merch is coming very soon. But yeah, back to what I was saying about the merch. You saw that sneak peek. The new mod is on the design of the merch. So that mod right there is part of the Borges spec, man. So yeah, that's coming soon for the M3. Also, I put, dude, this is crazy. So one of the clips, I think it was like 2 days ago when I was getting all the clips, all the rollers, all the sound clips, I had this one idea I wanted to make for an Instagram reel. And that was pretty much like pulling up to a stoplight and then flashing my high beams. Because when I flash my high beams 6 times, it switches from white DRLs to yellow DRLs. So I had this sick idea, like pulling up to the red light, flashing the lights so it changes, and then like turning the corner. And we did it, and I posted it on Instagram. This clip, I'm sure you guys probably saw it already on Instagram if you follow me. But I also posted this as a YouTube short. Dude, in the first 24 hours, bro, this reel like blew up. I just knew this video was gonna pop off. Like, it was such a sick clip of the M3. The snake eyes, like I flash them and it changes to yellow. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but right now in the first 24 hours, it's at 92.5K. Crazy, 92,000 likes in the first 24 hours. You guys can see 986,000 on a reel in 24 hours. Wild. Dude, that's crazy. I appreciate you guys so much. I haven't had a reel pop off that fast. This clip is just so sick though. That's crazy, dude. I've watched this clip like, I want to say 100 times already. Like, it's just so aesthetic. Like, just pulling up, how aggressive the car looks, turning the corner. So fire. But yeah, y'all are awesome. I just want to show you guys that before I ended off today's video. Yeah, man, with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video. I literally got my laptop ready. Love you guys so freaking much. Appreciate the support on all of the F80 stuff. Like I said, been having a blast, man. But yeah, all that being said, hope you'll have a good one today. Make it a good one, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.